Okay, here we are with part 7 and the final part of the do-it-yourself Android tablet car stereo head unit. Let's see. Today we're going to basically talk about software. That's the lock screen that I've added in with the Wolverine. So once we open it, that's my main screen that will be all the time while you're driving around. I tried some car launchers, I tried other launchers, you know, nothing really did anything super for me that made me say, geez, that's what I gotta have. So I just decided to make my own backgrounds, and I really don't need many icons on the screen for the apps, just the ones that I'm going to be using while I'm driving around. So we've got the AM/FM radio, we have the audio player, we have the movie player, navigation, USB camera, and we have, just in case I want to get to other apps. So it's pretty straightforward. This here is the double one. That's the backup camera. Works great. By changing the different resolutions and sizes, you can get it to be further back, closer up. This app is called USB Camera, but I bought the Pro version, so USB Camera Pro. That way you don't have any of the advertisements and other things. So that's working great. Over here is the AM/FM radio. We can turn it on. The driver loads and it starts playing right away. Okay, so I can't let you hear too much music or YouTube will stop my video. But it works great. It's got the RDS. It's got, and again, this program's called SDR Touch, and I did buy SDR Touch Pro, which gave me the RDS and the little colored spectrum and a couple other things. The other thing that you'll need along with this is the RTL-SDR Driver, and that was the driver you saw load up when I turned it on. Now you can do all your presets down the side. It's working great. Everything's good with it. We'll shut that down. Okay, so now we'll go into what I'm using for my audio player. This is Power Amp, and again, I bought the paid version to get rid of advertisements and other things because I wanted it to look really clean. It's a really nice audio player, and there's a lot of features to it. Works really good. Okay, and then for my video player, I'm using MX Player Pro, again, the paid version of it. So we'll get out of there. For navigation, right here in the front, they have Google Maps. Now, I'm also using, if I go to the next screen, I'm also using Avenza Maps, and you can download whatever maps you want. It'll overlay them, and then it hooks up with your GPS, shows you where you are. This is the one that does all the off-road and trail stuff, and it works well. But I think as far as the navigation apps, it's going to be more of a personal preference. I tried some of the other ones. The reason I like this one is one, you didn't have to pay monthly or yearly. You just get the app, and then when you want a map, you buy that particular map, although there's thousands of free maps. So it's kind of like, this is going to be one where I'm going to have to use it a few times and see whether I like the Avenza, or there's Gaia, there's off-road, there's quite a few of them, and this is actually going to be, you're going to have to go out there and actually use them and see which one you like. I can't really tell you that one's better than the other, easier than the other at this point. So now back to the home screen. So that's basically all we have along the bottom is AM/FM, audio, video, navigation, and backup camera. And everything's working great. I mean, I don't know what else to say. I guess this video is going to be short. So I will put the link to all of the apps under the description. And when I do the installation, The installation video will be in my Wolverine series that I did, where I'm doing mods and accessories to the Wolverine. So if you want to see the installation of this in the Wolverine, just watch my Wolverine videos. They'll be coming up soon. This one, I may not be installing this one for another 2 to 3 weeks because I'm waiting on some other audio equipment. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask, and thanks for watching.